Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to review and unbox the Tozo Open Ego earbuds, and it's a brand new earbuds by Tozo brand. Now let's unbox it and then I will review it as well. So it's the same packaging as always. Tozo packagings are all same. So these are our earbuds. Well, that's quite an unboxing. And here we have, what are these? I just don't know. Well, let's see. And here is our type C charging cable. So I will use this as well. So this is very simple, and these are our earbuds. And well, the box is very good and unique, and you can see that here you can also see how much charging is left, so that's very good. And as far as the earbuds look is concerned, well, they are quite beautiful, and I like white color, that's why I ordered it in white. Otherwise the black color is also available. And these are open earbuds. Open earbuds are very different from in-ear buds, and they don't go in your ears completely and are just surrounded or are just on your ears and not in. So that's why they are called open earbuds and not in earbuds. And well, you can, well, I have to zoom in for you so that you can take a closer look at the earbuds. So these are the earbuds. So you will hear the sound from two speakers, and that's why this is a completely different kind of a product. So I think I have to test it now, and then I'll come back with my honest review and tell you how does it sound. And its price is just 50 US dollar, and let's see how much it justifies its price. That's it, I'll come back with a review. Hi friends, welcome to my review section. So now I have used it for one day, and now I'm going to express my honest opinion with you guys. And my first reaction is that I am truly impressed by it. It's a very good product, and why I'm saying this is because it has too much options to discover, and there is so much to tell you, and I don't know where to start from. So that's why I will just summarize my whole points to you, and you can see that there is so much you can do with this earbud. And that's why I liked it, because in many open earbuds you cannot do much functionality with it. And they were very comfortable, and it's a very good wearing experience. And obviously the open earbuds are not tightly fit over your ears, they are just like hang around like feeling. So as far as the sound is concerned, of course it's mainly similar in all open earbuds, but this one has actually more vocal experience, and they are more like speakers as per it has to. And most of the open earbuds are always like speakers. So you can see that you will hear the sound from here and there as well. So like it's a very safe listening experience. So that's why open earbuds are made, so that you can have a very safe listening experience. And it was very good, and you can see that it's beautiful as well. And one thing is that it also has less battery timing. I mean, 10 hours is fine, but it's not too much, but it's adjustable at the same time. And the most important part is that it has a battery timing which shows that how much the battery is left in your earbuds, so that's very good, and I liked it. So I didn't wanted to make a whole long video, so the summary is that I liked it and I approve it and I recommend it as well. There was nothing bad in it, and the sound is also loud. It's not very dim kind of. It's a very good product by Tozo, and Tozo is becoming really good day by day, and I think it's going to compete with major brands who are in the market, and I think Tozo is going to get better and better day by day. So that's it. I have nothing more to say but this only, that I liked its sound. It's very fascinating, it's very enjoyable. So if you are interested, I have provided a link in the top of the description so you can check it out. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Be happy and be in peace. Goodbye. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments and I will surely reply.